Welcome to this briefing on the first oral GLP-1 for weight management. The European Medicines Agency, or EMA, has recommended a marketing authorization extension for Wegovy, or semaglutide, tablets. This marks the first time a GLP-1 receptor agonist has been recommended for weight management in an oral formulation. Phase 3 trials showed substantial weight loss, mirroring the efficacy of the subcutaneous injections. The recommendation now moves to the European Commission for final authorization. The target demographic for the oral tablet is strictly adult patients. This includes patients with obesity and those who are overweight with at least one weight-related comorbidity, such as type 2 diabetes or hypertension. The use is authorized in conjunction with a reduced calorie diet and increased physical activity. A key delivery trade-off is between the weekly subcutaneous injection and the daily oral tablet. The oral tablet is for adults only and requires a highly structured fasting and waiting protocol. However, clinical efficacy and safety profile are statistically similar to the established baseline of the injection. The oral tablet has a strict daily administration protocol. It requires a minimum 8-hour fast before taking the pill on an empty stomach. This is followed by a 30-minute strict window, with absolute restrictions on eating and drinking, to ensure absorption before returning to a normal routine. Phase 3 clinical trial results over 64 weeks showed an average weight reduction of 13.61% for Wegovy, compared to 2.18% for the placebo. Furthermore, 76.3% of the Wegovy group were clinical responders, losing 5% or more of their body weight. The safety profile and tolerability of the daily tablets mirror those of the weekly injections, primarily characterized by gastrointestinal disorders. These side effects, such as nausea, diarrhea, and constipation, occur predominantly at the initiation of treatment and typically subside as the patient's system adjusts. The regulatory roadmap starts with the CHMP opinion. Next is the European Commission decision, granting the marketing authorization extension. Finally, national pricing and reimbursement will determine final price and public coverage for patients in individual member states.